Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Wednesday 25 March 2026. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 11, number 16, number 17, number 31. Today's Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 11, number 16, number 17, number 31. Now Daily Lotto second prediction numbers. Number 4, number 22, number 26, number 30, number 34. Today Daily Lotto second prediction number repeat. Number 14, number 22, number 26, number 30, number 34. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for